Are you ready to grow your money and start your journey to financial freedom? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a deposit on IC app. Okay, so don't skip this video. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to make a deposit, even you are a complete beginner. Okay, so I don't want to waste time. Let's go straight to the point. If you don't have the app, all you have to do is you go to Google Play Store and then download the app, and then you register. After the registration, then you log in into the account. Okay, so I'm going to teach you a step by step on how to make the deposit on the app. Okay, so all you have to do is you log in. Okay, so you click on login and then type your email and then your password. Okay, so you type your password and then log in to the account. Okay, so you log in. Good. Okay, so when it's open like this, you will see total holding, IC liquidity, and then dashboard, liquidity, fine, trade, life, and then insight. Okay, so you will click on liquidity liquidity liquidity. Okay, so you click on liquidity. Okay, so when you click on liquidity, you will see transfer fund, withdrawal, sketch, portfolio transaction. Okay, so what you have to do is you will click on invest. Okay, so you click on invest, you will see IC liquidity fund. Okay, so for that place you won't do anything there. Okay, so leave it like that, and the next thing you have to do is the payment type. Okay, so you click on payment types. Either you use Visa card, MasterCard or Visa card, Airtel to go cash or Vodafone cash or MTN. Okay, for this one, I'm going to use MTN mobile money, so I'll click on MTN mobile money. Okay, and the amount you want to deposit. Okay, so I want to deposit 100 cedis. Okay, so I will type 100 Ghana cedi. Okay, so after the typing 100 Ghana cedis, then you will come to the next one, investment frequency. Okay, so either you deposit every day or every, either you deposit on today only, every day, every week, or every month. Okay, so I will select every month. Okay, so after that, then date of first payment. Okay, so you select the date of your first payment. Okay, so then you choose the date. Then the next thing is your contact. Okay, so when you are register on the app, make sure to use your valid contact. Okay, so that in anything you can use that contact only to do. Okay, so I will use my contact, and after that go through it that everything has been correct. Okay, so you didn't make any mistake. Then after that, then you click here submit. Okay, so you submit it, and then you come and click on continue. Okay, so you wait for a moment, processing payment. Okay, so you wait for the yes, investment request submitted successfully. Okay, so my investment amount is 100 Ghana cedis. So I have made a deposit on 100 Ghana cedis. Okay, so after that, then you click on done. Okay, so this is the easy way to make a deposit on IC What. It's just a simple way to do it. Okay, but one thing is that if you download the app and you are trying to make the deposit and there are some issues on it, don't worry. Okay, that's why the app works. Okay, sometimes if you are a new and then you created a new account, they just review something They are just reviewing your details that you use it to register the account. Okay, so after 3 weeks to 4 weeks, then they will send you email. After the email, then you are going to able to do everything, either deposit, withdrawal, and everything. Okay, so when you download the app for the first, and you are trying to make a deposit or do something, and you are not able to do it, don't worry. Okay, after 3 weeks or 4 weeks, they will send you email, and after that you're going to do everything you want to do. So this is how to make a deposit on IC World. Okay, so if you found this video helpful, here is Profit Mind channel. Don't forget to like, share, and then if you have any comment, leave it on comment down below. Okay, so thank you for watching and see you next time. Don't forget to click the subscribe button. Bye.